In this lesson, we're going to be discussing when somebody has our back and how do we escape from that. So just kind of briefly talk about having somebody's back. In a seated back position, this is not a fun place to be. From here, set up chokes. He can't see what strikes I'm doing because it's blindly coming in. Set up arm bars. A lot of different things that I can do to him, so not a fun position. Or I can hold him for somebody to be hitting him from the front or kicking him as well. To switch roles real quick. I want to strike to the most vulnerable area that is open after I can create a little space. Up here, it's going to be hard to create space. I'm going to always put my hands up near his hands to block him from doing a choke or armbar or something along those lines as I slide down and try to get a foot out and free. Now, from here, I can create space, start striking to the groin as I'm turning to trap this other foot. As I turn more, I start to strike, and I'm just getting to a more dominant position, striking, getting up. Basic combatives getting away. So again, just imagine you're on a slide is the easiest way to think about this. Hands come up, always block. Slide down, clear a foot, start to strike, and I'm turning towards him, striking more, coming around, striking, getting away, and disengaging. So we're going to show you this position and escape from one more angle. So from here, I'm going to slide down. So I'm just moving my hips down, trying to get a leg free. Now, can I go that way? Yes, but sometimes that other leg will trap, so it's a lot better turn and wrap that leg up. Turning back around as we continue to throw combatives, getting up and getting away. So that is a very simple escape from when somebody has you in back mount from the seated position.